If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Uber, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer incur unwanted charges. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to your payments. In the account settings, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to view your payment methods and any active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Scroll down to find the section for subscriptions or recurring payments. Here, you will see any active subscriptions you have, such as Uber Pass or other services. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any recurring charges on your Uber account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Uber support for help.